The Prince Rupert Regional Swim Meet was held at the Earl Ma Aquatic Centre over the weekend of January 29th and 30th.
It's the regional meet, so this involves clubs from Kitimat, Terrace, and the Prince Rupert Rapids.
We've got about 70 kids, about 40 from Rupert, 25 from Terrace, and another 4 or 5 from Kitimat. First swim meet of 2022. I mean, obviously it's under the specter of Omicron and COVID, so we're trying to keep it small, trying to keep it safe.
I swim because I find it enjoyable, and it's also nice to get best times, feel proud about myself, and it's also nice to hang out with my friends. The swimming's also fun because you get to race other people, so it's always more competitive. It's wow.
When you're on the block and you're ready to go, your heart's racing and you just dive in. It's just really fun.
Swim BC gave the Northern Divisionals a go-ahead a couple days ago, and Provincials are a go-ahead in March in Victoria. And so we have a number of swimmers looking for times to qualify in those events and hopefully just get back to travel and normal sports things with the kids. So.
I mean, obviously they were wrestling with this just like we were, but based on the latest guidance from Bonnie Henry, they're going to go forward with their divisional swim meets. They're going to go forward with their provincials. So we're going to go with I think we have 11 kids going to Penticton, and then we're going to take 3 kids down to provincials.
Our coach, Chris Street, has just done an amazing job with the kids and keeping them interested and going throughout the whole, every lockdown and every change that we've had to make with the COVID restrictions. And he's just kept the kids' spirits up and working really hard.
We've got this really great core group of kids that have been fantastic with their attendance. They were fantastic with their attendance all through COVID. And it's been great to get back to swim meets, and we're starting to see them perform really, really well. So I think we're going to have lots more breakthroughs the rest of the year.